Rahul Mamkuttattil, who's Kerala Youth Congress leader. Rahul is being accused of harassment and misconduct allegations against him. He was forced to resign. Now he faces a barrage of fresh charges against him. A trans woman has come out, Avantika, accusing him of saying that he wanted to rape her, even suggesting that they travel out of the state for it. Actor Rinny George, of course, who earlier alleged and accused that this man was constantly sending her abusive, offensive messages. And now the daughter of a former Congress MP has also come out to complain to the party itself, saying that Rahul promised marriage but backed out, citing caste issues. Rahul, however, has denied all the allegations here, insisting that he resigned before being asked and vowed that he will fight this in court and prove his innocence. But we hear that explicit messages, sexual assault threats, caste prejudice, all of this coming from Rahul. These are allegations against him. Now, if at all true, then he could be facing serious criminal charges. But one should know that Kerala goes into elections same time as Tamil Nadu, 2026, and this is really going to leave Congress in the back foot. The BJP is stepping up heat. They've conducted protests and heated ones where you had the Kerala police really restricting the BJP, detaining some of the leaders as the protest really heated up to that extent. So Congress now shown in bad light because of one of their leaders, Rahul, Youth Congress leader. We hear he's an MLA. He resigned basically after these allegations surfaced. But he says he's going to fight it out in court, the Congress distancing itself from him.